Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Myth Brand, and I'm your host Mercy. On today's tutorial, we'll be learning the easiest way to wrap a bra cup for a corset top or corset dress, whatever you're making. We'll be learning how to easily wrap a bra cup with our fabric. Trust me, this is a DIY class and it's very easy to make. So the materials we'll be needing for this tutorial is number one, we'll be needing our bra cup. This is an already made bra cup, as you can see. It's a size 34 bra cup. So I've already gone ahead to take in my dart so that you can pack the bust properly. So this is a size 34 ready made bra cup, and then these are my fabric I'll be using. This is the main pieces. As you can see, I've gone ahead to cut and iron my stay to it, and I labeled it as well. This is the first part. If you can see it, I labeled it A, and this is the second part. It's a two part bra cup. So this is the second part. I labeled it B. So this is the main fabric. I've ironed my stay to it, and then this is the lining pieces. These are the lining pieces rather. I labeled it A and B as well. I have two pieces for the two bra cup we'll be making. So without much ado, let's get started already. So guys, I'll go ahead to my sewing machine now, and I'll pick one part of this. I'll pick one part of A, and I'll pick one part of B for the main fabric and both the lining, and I'll be placing them right sides facing right side like so, and then I'll stitch it together like so. I'll be stitching it together. Alright, I'll be stitching it together like so. One part of A and one part of B. This is the reason why you should label your pieces so you don't mix it up. So I'll place it right side facing each other, and I'll be stitching it together like so. I'll be joining it like so. I'll do this for both the main fabric and the lining. I'll do this for the main fabric and the lining, and then I'll come back to show you what it looks like, guys. Okay, so guys, I've gone ahead to stitch it, and this is what it's looking like. This is what each piece is looking like, as you can see. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like, and it's looking very neat and beautiful. So these are the lining pieces as well. So I stitch it A to B, A to B. Okay, so that's the reason why you should label your pieces. So I'm just going to iron this out. I'll be ironing the seams flat. I'll be ironing the seams flat like so, and then I'll go ahead and use it to wrap the bra cup. So I'll just go and iron it, and then we'll go ahead to wrap the cup. So guys, I've gone ahead to iron it, and this is what it's looking like. This is the first one, and then this is the second one. So we are just going to pick one of these cups, and we are going to place the fabric on it like so. We'll place the fabric on it, lay it flat, make sure the seam line, making sure that this seam line, this joining, is on this dart intake. So watch what I'm doing closely. Okay guys, if you notice, I didn't take it all the way to the end, exactly to the end. So just give a little space, like 1/4 of an inch, and place it like so, and then align it properly. So I'm going to be pinning this down. So we'll be needing a lot of pins for this. We're just going to be pinning it down. And as we are pinning, we'll ensure to straighten out the fabric. Ensure to straighten your fabric on the cup. Remember to make sure that the stitch line is aligning with the dart intake on your cup. So I'm going to be stitching the cup now to the fabric, like so. So guys, this is my sewing machine. I'm just going to be stitching it. So guys, I'm done stitching. I'm just going to be taking off my pins now to show you what it looks like. So guys, this is what it's looking like. This is the inside and this is the outside. You can see my fabric is laying really flat. My fabric is laying really flat, and if you notice, I didn't stitch the top because I'm going to be turning it with my lining when attaching to the dress. So I'm going to be linking that video to this one, so you see how I attach this cup to my lining and the finishing of the cup, because it's not going to be looking like this in the dress. Okay, so thank you so much guys. If you watched up to this point, I really appreciate. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your engagement on my channel. So guys, I'll be doing this for the other cup, and I'll be linking the finished work to this video. I'll be linking it in the description, so do well to check out that video if you want to see how I finished this cup here, the final look. Do well to check out that video. Thank you once again guys for your engagement on my channel, and please, if you have any contributions, suggestions, or encouragement, do well to drop it in the comment section. I really love to hear from you guys. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.